So, hello everybody, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I hope you are okay. Um, yeah, some things have been happening, changing. I haven't done much videoing because I'm still a bit annoyed. But there's a little change. So basically, I bought this these little ones, which is presence light and indicators. They are a little bullet type. I thought they were bigger. Maybe I should have checked properly. I should have checked properly with my the sizes, but it's done. The other change I made is I got back to my square lights because I like them better. The other ones were a bit too modern for what was going on, so I go back to what I used to have before. I took them off because this one mainly got smashed. One day I dropped the bike twice since 2018, so it's not too bad, but this one got a bit smacked, especially on the base there. That's why he got ripped up, but I made a little metal support there and now it's all good. And the other change is, yes, is a little bit of tire just over the dashboard, so he protects it from water if he ever catches any. And yeah, is the look I want. Now this one, yes, a few things have been happening as well. The mirrors now are finished, no more reaction, so that's fine. I had to change that because I didn't like the three thingies that were there, so this one's look better. And now I move up the indicators. They used to be down there, but I didn't think they were very visible, so I changed them up here because there's a little hole in here which was to do something, I don't know. So I put the screw there, I put the bolt there, I made a little bracket thing, and it's all good. The problem is, when I got to the other side, I just realized that the same hole where the bracket should be is broken. The plastic bit is broken. So that's for another day, because it's now 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Sunday. I've been here since about 9:30 or so, and I'm not in a mood to go and do anything else about that at the moment. So that is gonna wait until the next time I'm here. But it should be all right. I should be able to do it. Nothing goes right. So in there is my old charger, battery charger. I call it old because, yes, I bought it when I first started the bike, the Renegade, and unfortunately, today it decided to kaput. I did open it up. I did try to see what was going on. After checking inside for everything else, then I realized that the cable that supplies the power to connect it, the two wires right at the entrance, for some reason they shorted, and so that is going to be something else I need to buy, because it's something I need, is a battery charger. Sometimes I need it for the car, very rarely. Sometimes I need it for Renegade, very rarely, but I do, especially in the winter. So it's not urgent, but I'm going to see what's going on when I go home. I'm going to see what's going on, and if I can buy something not too expensive. You know me, I don't like expensive stuff. It makes me cringe when it's expensive. But this one, the white ghost is going slowly. Now that is still giving me a bit of a problem, but I'm sure I can get to the end of it at some point. So now, yes, I would like to tidy up all this, but I can't be bothered really. I had enough for today. So I'm gonna clock out. You guys continue to enjoy your weekend. And remember one thing, sitting on your butt, you won't get your project done. So you better get on with it if you want to see anything at the end of the line. So stay well, keep well, and don't do anything I wouldn't do myself. And I hopefully see you the next time around. Take care. Bye-bye.